At MLS Campus, we help future real estate professionals start, upgrade, and grow their careers in Florida real estate. If a licensed real estate sales associate is ready to take the next step, becoming a Florida real estate broker is the next major milestone in their career. But before applying, Florida requires one key experience requirement. An applicant must have completed 24 months of active real estate sales associate experience within the past 5 years. Once that requirement is met, here are the 5 steps to becoming a Florida real estate broker. Step 1. Complete the 72-hour broker pre-licensing course. The first requirement is completing a 72-hour FREC-approved broker pre-licensing course. This course covers brokerage operations and management, real estate law and license law, financing and investment principles, appraisal and valuation concepts, real estate mathematics. A passing score on the end-of-course exam is required, and the certificate is valid for up to 2 years. Step 2. Submit your DBPR broker application. Next, the applicant must submit a broker application to the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation, DBPR. This is done using the RE2 application, either online or by mail. At this stage, upgrade from sales associate to broker. Submit required application fees. Provide supporting documentation if needed. Processing usually takes 10 to 30 days, but may take up to 90 days depending on application volume and background checks. Step 3. Complete electronic fingerprinting. All applicants must complete electronic fingerprinting through a DBPR-approved live scan provider. This is required for background screening. Key points: must be completed before approval. Required even if previously licensed. Results are sent directly to DBPR. Without fingerprints, the application cannot move forward. Step 4. Pass the Florida Broker State Exam. Once DBPR approves the application, eligibility is sent to Pearson VUE to schedule the exam. The exam includes 100 multiple-choice questions, a passing score of 75%. It covers real estate law, brokerage management, finance, investments, appraisal, and real estate math. A valid ID is required, and eligibility is verified before testing. Step 5. Activate your broker license, RE13 form. After passing the exam and receiving the broker license, the final step is activation. This is done by submitting the DBPR RE13 broker transaction form. This allows the broker to operate independently, open a brokerage, or work as a broker associate under another broker. Without this step, the license remains inactive. Additional information to know. Before wrapping up, here are a few important things to keep in mind. Licensed brokers from another state may qualify for a Florida broker license, but they must still meet Florida's education requirements. Florida has mutual recognition agreements with select states, but applicants are still required to pass Florida's core law exam. The 72-hour broker course completion certificate remains valid for 2 years. If a student does not pass the broker course final exam, Florida's 30-day retake rule applies before taking a second attempt, unless the course is restarted. If the state broker exam is not passed, it can be retaken after waiting at least 24 hours, as long as the course certificate and application remain valid. After obtaining a broker license, Florida requires completion of 60 hours of broker post-licensing education before the first renewal period. Costs associated with becoming a broker typically include pre-licensing education, fingerprinting, application fees, and the state exam fee. For a more detailed breakdown, FAQs, and expanded guidance, visit the blog section at MLS Campus for full step-by-step resources. If this video helped you understand the Florida broker license process, make sure to subscribe to MLS Campus and share this video with anyone planning to become a real estate broker in Florida.